Did you know that one accidental drop could cost you hundreds in screen repairs? The Galaxy S25 Edge is stunning, but without the right case, it's one fall away from disaster. In today's video, we're diving into the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases that blend protection, style, and comfort like never before. Whether you're into sleek profiles or rugged shields, I've got options you'll love. Welcome to MyAccessoriesTrench. If something catches your eye, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Let's protect your phone without compromising on looks. Let's get started. The number 5 product on our list is Nvollnoe Case. What if your Galaxy S25 Edge case could replace your wallet too? That's exactly what the Nvollnoe Case brings to the table, and it does it with flair. This isn't just a protective shell, it's a lifestyle upgrade. As one of the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases out there, it offers dual-layer protection with a tough PC outer shell and soft TPU inner lining, shielding your phone from life's unexpected drops. B-roll shows that raised edges guard your screen and camera, even when laid face down. But here's the kicker, a built-in card slot hides up to 2 essential cards. Slide it open, hear the satisfying click, and you're ready to go. Wireless charging. It's still a go, just remove your cards. Its slim, pocket-friendly design makes carrying your essentials effortless, and the precision cutouts mean every port and button feels just right. If you're after function without bulk, this case nails it. Let me know what you think. Is this the ultimate all-in-one case? Drop your thoughts in the comments. At number 4 is RMOCR Case. What if one case could guard your Galaxy S25 Edge like armor and still feel sleek in your hand? The RMOCR Case does exactly that. Built for serious protection, it combines a hard PC back with a shock-absorbing TPU bumper, making it one of the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases you can buy in 2025. You get military-grade durability with 4-corner airbags and raised lips that protect both the screen and camera lens. But it's not just tough, it's practical too. The frosted finish adds a premium touch, while the non-slip stripes keep your grip secure during daily use. And here's the real bonus, it includes a tempered glass screen protector, camera lens cover, and a nylon wrist strap, all in one box. Cutouts are laser precise, ensuring flawless access to every button and port. From casual drops to daily wear and tear, this case handles it all while maintaining a comfortable, slim profile. It's durable, smartly designed, and travel-ready, making it a top choice for your Galaxy S25 Edge. The third one on our list is Yiakeng Case. Ever wished your phone case could do more than just protect? The Yiakeng Case for the Galaxy S25 Edge turns that wish into reality. This rugged yet stylish case isn't just about defense, it's about function and flair. Built with a dual-layer combo of tough PC and flexible TPU, it stands strong against drops, scratches, and bumps. The precise cutouts mean you'll never struggle to charge or use your camera. But what really steals the show is the 360 degrees rotating metal ring kickstand. Whether you're binge-watching or video calling, it props your S25 Edge up in both landscape and portrait modes effortlessly. Add in the ergonomic grooves that make one-handed use feel natural, and you've got one of the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases of 2025. It's designed to keep up with your fast-paced life while looking sleek in your hand. While it may add slight bulk, the durability and versatility make it absolutely worth it. This case doesn't just protect, it adapts to how you live, move, and scroll. On number 2 is FNTCASE Case. What if your phone case could be your phone's best defense and still look bold doing it? The FNTCASE Case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is built like a fortress, yet styled like a sports car. With a dual-layer combo of shock-absorbing TPU and a rugged PC shell, it brings serious durability, making it one of the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases in 2025. Drop it? No worries. Those reinforced corners and slip-proof hexagon textures on the sides and back keep your grip solid and your phone safe. Visual cue: show a slow-motion drop test here, but that's not all. This case pays attention to the details. Raised bezels protect your screen and camera from scratches, while the precisely cut ports and tactile buttons offer a flawless user experience. Even better? The honeycomb interior dissipates heat, keeping your S25 Edge cool during heavy use. The bold design and vibrant colors don't just protect, they stand out. While it adds some thickness, the protection trade-off is totally worth it. No fluff, just function, power, and smart design. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Case. Ever wonder how a case so slim can offer military-grade protection? The Spigen liquid air case for the Galaxy S25 Edge pulls off that magic effortlessly, and it just might be one of the smartest picks among the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases right now. Right out of the box, you feel that matte textured finish. It's grippy, sleek, and fingerprint resistant. No more slips or smudges. Quick B-roll, phone sliding into a tight pocket effortlessly. Now let's talk protection. With Spigen's air cushion technology built into the corners, you're getting serious shock absorption without bulking up your phone. It even has raised edges around the screen and camera, giving your S25 Edge the daily armor it deserves. Visual cue: slow zoom on the edge protection and camera lip, and yes, it fully supports wireless charging. No need to peel off the case every time. Clean, simple, dependable. Honestly, it's not flashy, but that's what makes it stand out. Minimalist users will love it. If you value sleek design and trusted protection, Spigen delivers with quiet confidence. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy S25 Edge cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.